Hi there, friends. Today we're going to learn how to draw a pterodactyl. Now, a pterodactyl is the bird-looking dinosaur, right, with the big wings, and they kind of have big beaks. So, what we're going to do is first we need our materials. So, make sure you have any kind of paper on you so that we can draw on, a pencil, and if your pencil doesn't have an eraser. Now, maybe later, when you're done, because I'm only going to show you the pencil part of this, you can color in your dinosaur any way you want with all these kind of materials, okay? So let's get started. Now, when we are drawing, we first have to draw very lightly so we can draw everything down and then use it to help build our drawing up, all right? So, first and foremost, we're going to draw a line towards the bottom of the paper that helps us place our dinosaur. So we're going to draw a light little curved line just like that. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a triangle at the end of that line that's kind of a really long triangle, right? Just like that. And the same thing, we're going to do it again. We're going to make a very long kind of triangle, almost like this, all right? From there, we're going to draw the neck, right? You can see how I'm using this line to help me place things. And then from there, they have very small chests, so we're going to make a long circle kind of shape, right? An oval to kind of help us. Now, they have very weird wings, so they have kind of like an extra joint. So what you're going to do, from some point in your chest cavity here, what you're going to do is you're going to make a big old zigzag, right? So you're going to go 1, 2, and then 3, just like that. And at the end of the 3, why don't you give your pterodactyl some fingers? Because they have a hand up there, which is pretty funny. From there, we're going to make a big curved line, right, for their wing, because they need to fly, right? And then from there, make a very long swirl line that comes all the way down, all right? So there's our wing. From there, you're going to draw a little triangle for the tail. Now here's my basics. They're pretty much all down, except the feet, but the feet are pretty easy. From there, I'm going to place where an eye is going to go, and I'm going to use all these basic shapes to help me with all of my detail. Now, I'm going to press harder now, and I'm going to give my pterodactyl those big cone heads, because they got those big cone heads. Right? You can see how I'm retracing and using those shapes. I'm going to give my guy a smile, right? Because he's happy to be drawn. But you can see how I'm using those shapes to draw my pterodactyl, right? Now for the feet, very similar to this, all you're going to do is you're going to make a zigzag line, and you're just going to follow that line, because they kind of have really thin feet. And then you can give them toes, because they got them toes too. Now, the zigzag here, right? They don't really have stick arms, huh? So they're going to need some thickness. So I'm going to do the same thing, right? I'm going to follow that zigzag line that I made before and get smaller as I go up, because it needs to have muscles so it can fly, right? I'm going to add another line here that starts from this elbow and goes all the way down, because they have a little skin to help them fly right here. And then from there, I'm just going to go just like that. Now, obviously they have a couple feet, so if I wanted to, make those lines again, right? Draw some more feet. And now you could take your eraser, and you remember all those basic shapes that we drew? Well, you don't really need them anymore. So all you can do is just erase all those lines that you know you don't need anymore. All right, now from there, what you're going to do is you can design anything you want on your wings, so you can color them or paint them later, okay? I like to do really curvy, swivelly lines and dots everywhere. And there you have it, guys, your own pterodactyl.